Hello guys, and welcome back to Doc Mac Garage. And today what I'm going to show you is how to reinitialize the one touch function on the power window of your Mercedes-Benz. Now this one is a Mercedes-Benz W211 E350 2006. It should work for most of the Mercedes-Benz. Now those of you who do not know what a one touch function, I'm going to show you how it works. So this is your power window, and let's say for example the driver's side switch, if I push it down once and I let go and the windscreen goes all the way down, that's a one touch function because you just touch it once. The same thing, you push it up one more time and that should go up. Now when you replace your battery, sometimes the one touch function will stop. So when you just push it once down, it might just stop like that. So this is how you reinitialize your one touch function. So you put it all the way back up. So when you're pressing the button down, it's actually 2 clicks. So you want it to be on the first click, like so. Second click is this. So when you're doing the procedure, just do it on the first click. And now what you're going to do to reinitialize it is you're going to push down the driver's side window button. Now you need to do it for each of the windows. We're going to do the driver's side first. You're going to press and hold it down. Okay, after it reaches the bottom, you're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pull until it reaches the top, and don't let go, and count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after it reaches the top. And now I'm going to release the button. Now what should happen is your one touch function should start working. So if you push it down once, the one touch function should start working now, and if you pull it back up, your one touch function should start working now. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. It's completely free to subscribe.